Are you pregnant? Look for these early pregnancy symptoms. Some of these first signs of pregnancy can show up just a few short weeks after conception. Before you even pass the pregnancy test and know for sure that you've got a baby on board, you may get a heads up in the form of some early pregnancy symptoms. But because many of these early signs of pregnancy will be similar to symptoms you have right before you get your period, it may be hard to tell the difference. While pregnancy tests and your practitioner can offer definitive answers, here are 5 telltale early pregnancy symptoms that may reveal you're expecting. 1. Missed period. It might be stating the obvious, but if you've missed a period, especially if your periods usually run like clockwork, you're probably suspecting pregnancy, and for good reason. A missed period is one early pregnancy symptom all expectant moms experience. 2. Fatigue. Imagine climbing a mountain without training while carrying a backpack that weighs a little more every day. That's pregnancy in a nutshell. In other words, it's hard work, which is why fatigue is an early pregnancy symptom almost every mom-to-be experiences. When you get pregnant, a huge amount of energy goes into building a placenta, the life support system for your baby. All that can zap you of your usual get up and go, and cause pregnancy fatigue shortly after you conceive. 3. Morning sickness or nausea. That telltale, queasy feeling known as morning sickness can hit you at any time of day, and it typically begins when you're about 6 weeks pregnant, though it can vary and strike even earlier. Hormones, mainly increased levels of progesterone, though estrogen and HCG can also take some credit, can cause the stomach to empty more slowly, resulting in this early pregnancy symptom resembling seasickness. 4. Food aversions. Your extra-sensitive nose may be responsible for another early sign of pregnancy, food aversions, where the thought, sight or smell of certain foods you normally like can turn your stomach, or worse, contribute to your morning sickness. This early pregnancy symptom can be triggered by anything from chicken, a common one, to something seemingly more benign, like salad. Though this isn't one of the very early signs of pregnancy, it does tend to pop up in the first trimester. Blame those pregnancy hormones again, especially early on when your body is flooded with them and still getting used to all the hormonal changes. Don't worry, this early pregnancy symptom often passes by the second trimester, when things have settled down in there. 5. Mood swings. Yet again, blame those pregnancy-related hormonal changes for the mood swings you may be experiencing once you're expecting. As early as 4 weeks into your pregnancy, you may feel a PMS-style moodiness. Later in the first trimester and often throughout the rest of pregnancy, you could be up one minute and anxious or down the next.